Efficiency test on my GSL. We're doing shot count and the camera's backwards, so that is saying 263. Just chronoed it, so my chrono is acting retarded now, so that was my last chrono. So yeah, we're doing an efficiency test on my GSL, my Aurora GSL with a die rotor Ninja tank. We got filled to about 3, yeah, like 3. So a little bit over 3,000 psi. We got GI, or actually VALKEN paint, and some really shitty GI paint. So we are doing shot count. So I'm going to reset the shot count for you guys because I have it in bags and I do not have enough pods. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Get closer. We're at 0. Everything's at 0, so we start from there. We see how much we can get until it starts dropping. So yeah, that's basically what we're doing. And I have VALKEN paint and then really shitty bag of paint that has like 1,000 balls in it, and it's a bunch of shit paint from practices that was left over. So yeah, it could be like as old as a month. Alright, let's start this off. First shot, there we go. That was not a pod, obviously. This video is going to take a little bit longer, so if you guys want to skip ahead or wait for legitimacy, you can just watch through it all. But this video is going to be kind of a pain because I do not have enough pods. I'll tell you guys what we're at in a second. Alright, we are at 61 shots. Let's turn on ramp. We are on 190 shots. All right. We are at 326 shots. And I'll tell you guys what PSI we're at in a second. There is a 692 bore in the boomstick, or on the boomstick, I should say. Sorry about the whole pod thing, you guys. My team took most of them. It's kind of a ghetto way of doing this, but it's alright. Looks like there's broken paint in that bag, so this has been pretty gentle on paint, so we should be good. Oh, God. No chops. This is one of the best ways to break in a marker. I already had 12,000 shots on it over a week, so it was about 20,000 before I reset it. Alright, do that again. We're at about 2,000 psi and 689 shots. I had a hot fill, so it went down a little, which kind of sucks. But I filled up to 4,000 and it just went down throughout the day. Alright, let's keep going. We are at 806 shots. This thing was already tuned. We're at about a little bit over 1,000 psi and 1,057 shots. Yeah, this thing was tuned pretty well. It's shooting 263 like I showed you guys, not gonna lie. We're down to the shitty paint, so as depressing as it is, that's what we're stuck with. Alright. Now, like, I mean, when I say shitty paint, guys, I mean this is horrible. It's some of the worst paint, like, I ever shot through, especially a GSO. So, alright. We're probably going to get a lot of rotor jumps. On to number something pod. I don't know what we're actually on. Still shooting strong. 278. My chrono's just retarded, like I said, but barrel's frosting up. That's why I usually have barrel covers on, but I don't right now. Kind of sucks. Just gonna make sure it's chronoing good still. We're at 1,000 psi exactly, like ish. 274, still good. Still going strong. I mean, I can tell when it drops, you guys, but yeah. I'll let you guys know when it drops, and I'll just stop shooting there. And then I will one ball it until it's completely dead. Because you can still one ball in games, so it counts. But I will tell you guys the count when it actually starts dropping that ramp. Alright, yes. We're on to 1,400 shots. Well, now 1,400 shots. I'll show you guys. 1,400. Let me chrono that. So that does sound like drop. Yeah. 269. So yeah, you guys, it's jammed. Remember, you guys, this was only about 3,200 psi. Yep, there we go. It's dead. So 0 psi. GSL. 1,531 shots. Off of about 3,000 psi. Now, I want you guys to do that math. 1,500 divided by 2 is 750. So add 750 shots to that, and that's what you get out of full 45. So we're shooting over a case, about a case in a bag, you guys, off a GSL. Now, I tuned this, I did my work on it, but I just want you guys to take that in factor. So yeah. Oh, also, big factor here. This is a 90-45, so a 68. I get about 1,700 shots off of, and this I get about 2,250. I use this when I'm playing back. It's really not that big, but so yeah. Thanks for watching, you guys.